Namaste students, I hope you are all safe and stay healthy at your home. So in last ICT classes we completed healthy practices while using a computer. So today I just conclude the lesson what we already learned and I will share the one worksheet to you all. So in this lesson first we started asanas topic. We discussed about 5 different type of asanas: samakona asana, manibandhana chakrasana, changda chakrasana, hasta uttasana, and last one karna dhanusrasana. Why we have to do these asanas? Because we are spend the more time by using our computers or electronic gadgets, especially in this lockdown situation. For this purpose we have to do this a simple exercise and asanas while working with our computer. And next we discussed about on a eye exercise. We already discussed a very familiar and easy eye exercise. Now I just recall what eye exercise we already learned: pencil rotation or rotational viewing exercise, palming exercise, be a cat, and blinking. These are all called related to a eye exercise. So this eye exercise is useful for us, especially surround our eyes. And next thing, how to minimize eye strain. How to minimize eye strain. So regarding this topic we discussed some healthy tips related to our how to minimize eye strain. We should look away frequently while working long hour with our computer or laptops, and we should clean our monitors. If we are wearing a glass, that means spectacles means we have to clean that also. And we should ensure the font size, because font size is important for us. If we can't able to read any document in a monitor, means we have to increase the font size. That will be helpful for us to minimize our eye strain. And next thing, now I am going to share the worksheet. So these things we discussed in this lesson. So what are the things we discussed in this asanas lesson? We learned 5 different type of asanas and some eye exercise and how to minimize eye strain. So these things we learned. Now I am going to share the worksheet. So this is our assessment worksheet. In this month you have an assessment related to this topic, asanas while working with the computer. The assessment mark is 20 marks. So that only I display these questions and explain to you all guys. The first one is the match the asanas with the corresponding name. Here I gave the 5 different type of asanas picture in a left side, as well as in a right side I gave the asanas name, but it's not in a correct order. You have to match the asanas with the asanas name. So this is the first task. And the next thing is fill-ups. Blinking and dash from the monitor need to be done frequently. Blinking and dash from the monitor need to be done frequently. And next question, do the eye exercise regularly to avoid eye dash on the eyes. And third one, a dash can help you perform and enjoy our everyday activities. Fourth fill-up is Manibandhana Chakrasana is called dash. And fifth one, Hasta Uttasana strengthens dash and dash. So for this fill-up I gave 6 marks to you all guys. And the next thing, tick the correct statement. For these 4 questions in a Roman letter 3, you have to only tick the correct statement. In remaining statement, you have to put the cross mark also. For that only you have to do the correct proper manner. So tick the correct statement in a Roman letter 3. The first one, we can work with a computer without breaks. You have to analyze whether it is right or wrong. If it is right means you have to put the tick marks in near the statement. If it is wrong means you have to cross out the cross mark also. And the second one is increasing the text size on the computer screen will strain our eyes. You have to analyze properly. And third one, hang up a poster in the computer area to remind everyone to do stretchings. And fourth one, while working with the computers, relax our shoulders and hands. So this is the Roman letter 3 set of questions. I allotted a 4 marks for that. And the fourth Roman letter, answer the following questions. That is a very simple questions. You have to write the answers in a single word or a single line. The first question, write any two eye exercise. Write any two eye exercise, because in this lesson we discussed a lot of many eye exercise. So you have to just find out any two eye exercise and write the answers for this question. And the next one, write a few ideas for how to minimize the eye strain. Write a few ideas for how to minimize the eye strain. For this, I allotted a 3 marks. So total 20 marks for this assessment guides. It's a very simple thing, because in a July month itself we learned this lesson, and current month November month also we revised this lesson. So these are all very simple things only. I hope it's very clear and useful, guys. So children, I hope the worksheet is clear to all. I will send the worksheet in a separate PDF manner also. You have to copy this worksheet in your ICT assessment note. We have a assessment note separately for that our subject. You have to copy these questions in your assessment note and write the test in your home, guys. So we will meet in the next ICT class. Thank you, guys.